Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make rainbow race effect on CapCut apps. First, open CapCut and click New Project. And then import the video that you want to edit. Now go to Effect, Video Effects, find Comic, and choose Neon. Don't forget to adjust the duration of the effect. Now add another effect, video effects, find shadow, and choose angel. Now adjust the duration of the effect, and next add overlay and select this video and increase the scale of the video, adjust the duration, and then click the layer overlay, click splice and find slide and then click OK. Next, export the video. Okay, stay still in this project and then delete the overlay layer and all the effect, and next add overlay and choose the video that we just exported before. Okay, and then select the overlay layer and then splice and click filter. And next, this is optional, but you can also make the opacity into 50 if it's better. And last, still in the overlay, don't forget to increase the scale of the overlay video. Okay, and done. And here it is. This is the tutorial how to make a ray race effect on CapCut apps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, you can press like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.